Southern fried red snapper. Guys, this is so amazing, so flavorful, oh so crispy. And you know it's off the hinges, and guess what? I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's get started. So these are the beautiful snapper fillets that we will be working with today. Usually you can get them at your local market and you can have them filleted for you if it ain't already. Take off the scales, clean it up, everything. And what we're gonna do is season it up proper, because you know that's what we do. On the screen here I've listed everything you need to get that done. So go ahead and go crazy, be generous and deliberate when it comes to seasoning up these fillets. Make sure both sides are well coated up. And if you haven't already, leave a like for your boy, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, guys. And I know I'm gonna get this question. Yes, you can do this with salmon as well. You can do it with catfish, whatever fish of your choosing. You can absolutely try this recipe out with it. So now we're gonna move on to the breading station. On the screen, I have a list of what you're gonna be using to have your flour seasoned up oh so correctly. I also have 3 eggs beaten up. I'm gonna first drop my fish in the flour, toss it around. Then I'm gonna get it in the egg, shake off the excess, back in the flour it goes. And we're gonna repeat this process until all of our fillets are well coated up. So now that our fillets are ready to go ahead and get you a pan nice and hot. Get your oil in there, whatever oil of your choosing. I'm using peanut oil, and we're gonna toss these fillets in there and let them do their thing. We're gonna let them cook for about 5 minutes on each side until they're nice, beautiful, and golden brown. So this is after the first 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a flip and let the other side do their thing, like I said, for another additional 5 minutes. They are looking good already. So now they are done, and man, oh man, dude, these look amazing. Look at the crispy, beautiful crust we have on these snapper fillets, guys. Oh my goodness. Looks so amazing. And look how easy that is, guys. Nice, simple, delicious. Takes no effort at all to get this beautiful dish. This is the end result, guys. This is it, and this is everything. You know how we rock over here. This is everything. I'm trying to let you know. Go ahead and get you a little bit of lemon, Squeeze that on top, maybe a little bit of hot sauce on the side, and man, that's all you need. Serve this with some rice, vegetables, however you want to rock. Either way, this is so good, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Deuces.